Hello, good afternoon, class. Welcome back to Steno 1. So today we are going to discuss lessons number 20, 21, and 22. Okay, so let's proceed with lesson number 20. The topics are brief form, sounds of dev, div, and diff, and then the symbol for the sound of u, such as a few. Okay, so let's proceed with the another set of brief forms. Okay, organize. Just simply O and gay symbol. O and gay symbol to represent the organized. Let me correct it, class. O and gay symbol. Okay, govern is just simply gay and V. Gay and V. Okay, let me make it long. Okay, govern. Now we have the however. You have learned the representation for the sounds of ow, right? We have the a and u. However, so let me correct it, class, ha? A and u, v. So do not put any what they call this angle there. No, so just write it smoothly to join with the v symbol. Okay. So again, ow, then b to represent the however. Okay. Present just simply p and r. P and R. Okay, opportunity, we have the O, P and R, O, P and R symbol. Acknowledge, just simply A and K, A and K. Okay. So general is just simply the straight symbol for J, E, N for general, J, E, N for general. Okay. So let's proceed with the brief forms derivatives. So let's go with the word organization. So organization, of course, just put the O and gay symbol for organize and then the ish symbol to represent the word ending shon, organization. O, gay, shon, organization. O, gay, the for organized. O, gay, the for organized. Government, the brief forms govern, then word ending ment symbol. Government. Presently, we have the PR per present, then E symbol inside PR, and then E symbol to represent the word ending ly. Okay, presented, just simply PR, and then the symbol, PR, and the symbol. Representative, of course, R, then represent, then V symbol. Okay? R, P, R, B for representative. Acknowledge, AKD, AKD. Okay, acknowledges A, K, and then right S, A, K, and then right S. Okay, acknowledgement, just simply the brief form acknowledge, AK, then meant, AK, then meant. Okay, generally, this is supposed to be generally. Okay, generally. Wait. Okay, so generally is represented by, of course, the brief forms general, Jen, then put the ly symbol. Okay, the E symbol for generally. Okay, simple as that. Okay, sorry, let me correct it. Jene for generally. Hold on, class. Nangyari sa may ano ko. Generally, again, J, E, N, E, J, E, N, E. Okay. J, E, N, E. Okay. That's fine. The third example. Okay. Now, let's proceed with the sounds of dev and div and then the diff and def. Okay. As you could notice, there are outlines that are blended, no? may mga symbols na biniblend to represent specific outline or symbols rather. So this dev and div is a combination of the D symbol, the and B symbol. So if ever that you're going to blend it, it's supposed to be like this. So there's going to be an angle. Of course, to promote ease of writing, we are going to remove that. So it will be representing by a rounded D and V. Okay? Simple as that. So it should be written at the full height of the paper. Same with the diff and def words. So you have to be very careful in understanding the words, huh? Okay? It is a combination of a blended D and B, but it should be written as rounded blended D and B. Or we call this one as dev blend. Okay? Let's proceed with the first word. Of course, the word devote. Dev-O-T, devote. Dev-O-T, devote. Okay, I'll write it again. Dev-O-T for devote. Okay, I know that you are going to ask, how are we going to spell this one out? Of course, as simply as this, dev, then O, then T for the shortened spelling of the devote. Okay, let's have the word devoted. Of course, dev, O, then TED symbol. Dev, O, then TED symbol. Okay, device, device. Dev, I, broken R circle, and then the right S. Let me write it again. Dev, broken I circle, and then the right S. Okay? Let's have the word devised with D or the past tense. Okay? Dev, I as the symbol. Okay? Let's have the word devising. Dev, I as ing, devising. Dev, I as devising. Develop. So let's have the dev, E-L-P for developed. Of course, development. Dev, E-L-P, then meant to represent the meant symbol or the word ending meant. Okay? Same with the div. So just simple as this. Div, I did. Div, I did. Div, I did for divided. Dividing, div, I, D-ing, dividing. Div, I, D-ing, dividing. Division, of course. Div, E, ish, to represent the word ending shon, to make it division. Div, E, shon, division. Okay? So how are you going to shorten spell this one? As simple as this. Div, of course, Asian. Okay. Oh, sorry. Asian. Okay. So in divided, of course, we have the div, sorry, I and dead symbol. Okay. Let's have the word divisions, of course. Just simply dev, ish, shon, then S, comma S, dev, e, ish, shon, to division. Okay? Divorce. What happened to my spelling? Divorce. Just simply, excuse me, dev, O-R, S for divorce. Left S should be dev, O-R, S for the divorce. Okay, like what I have said, in the sounds of diff and def, it is represented same with the blended dev or the combination of the symbol. Okay, it should be rounded. There should be no angle. Okay, definite. We have the def, N-E-T, definite, def, N-E-T, definite. So how are we going to spell that one out? Simple as this. Def, N-E-T for definite. Okay? Definitely, just simply def, N-E-T, then the word ending ly. Def, N-E-T, and then the word ending ly. Again, def, N-E-T, ly, the word ending ly. Okay? So, let me short and spell that one. Okay? We have the def, then N-E, sorry class ha, naglolo ko yung ano ko. Should be N-E-T, then the word ending ly. Okay, definitely. Nangyayari sa ano ko. Yon. Definitely. Okay. Let's have the word defeat. Just simply def-et for defeat. Def-et for defeat. Def-et for defeat. Okay. Defeated. 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 Okay. Defend. Of course, we have def and then end symbol. Def and then end symbol. Okay, how are you going to spell this one out? Simple as this. Def, then end. Okay, defend. Let's go with the word differ. Differ, just simply diff and r. Differ, diff and r. Differ. Okay, different. Diff, R-E-N-T. Different. Diff, R-E-N-T for different. So let's spell it out. Of course. Diff, R, then ent. Okay. How about the word difference? We have the diff, R-E-N, then the left S, or the mirror of the right S. Difference, let me write it again, diff, R-E-N-S, for difference, okay? Of course, differences, diff, R-E, and then the ses symbol, sorry, diff, R-E, and then ses symbol for differences. Do not mind the first example. Okay. Let me write it again, class, huh? Diff, R-E, and then ses. Ano talaga yung ano ko. Diff, R-E, and ses for differences. Okay. Now, let's go with the last topic, the sound of U. Sound of U is represented by a combination of U plus E symbol. Oh, sorry. E plus U symbol. Baliktad. Okay? So, it's the same with this. Okay. Okay. So, iba yung aw ha. Aw is like this. So, U is this. E and U. Okay? Let's have the word few. Sorry. F-E-U for few. F-E-U for few. So how are you going to spell that one out? In shorthand spelling, F then U. Okay? Simple as that. Use E-U-S, E-U-S. Okay? Use E-U-S, the E-U-S-D for used. Let's have the word unit. E-U-N-E-T for unit. E-U-N-E-T for unit. Okay, how about the word unite? E-U-N, broken circle, T. E-U-N, broken circle, T. Okay, unite. Unique. E-U-N-E-K for unique. E-U-N-E-K for unique. Refuse. R-F-E-U-S. R-F-E-U-S. Okay? So, the rulings when it comes to writing the word beginning re, diba? If it is downward, you're going to remove the letter E. No, you don't have to write the letter E, okay? So same with the review. Word beginning re, then V, then EU, R or re, V, and then U for review. Okay? So how you're going to spell that one out? Simple as this. Re, then V, then U for review. Okay? Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, so just please practice writing at your home and then practice reading. Okay? So let's proceed with lesson number 21. Okay? Are we clear, huh? So, the topics in lesson number 21 are the sounds of ten, den, and tain, then word ending ikal, and then special phrases. We call this one as to know, no? Let's have the word ten, blend. So, as you can see, the ten, den, and tain is represented by a blend T plus N symbol. Okay, supposedly, this is going to be like that. However, since to promote the ease of writing, same with the other blendeds that I have told you, same with the div, right? No? We are going to remove the angle. So it will be represented by a rounded T and N symbol. Okay. The writing is moving upward, class, ha? Okay, please be reminded of that one. Okay? So it's just like the over-eat. Diba? Sorry. Over-eat. Moving upward. Okay? Pataas siya. So let's have the word tent. Ten and T, tent. Ten and T, tent. So how are we going to spell out that one? We have this. Ten, then T. Okay? Then let's have the word tonight. Tonight, as simple as this. 10, IT tonight. Ganda, diba? 10, IT. Then attend. Of course, attendee. 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 Okay, attention. Attend. Then the word ending shon. Attention. Attention. Okay, how are you going to spell that one out? We have the then shon. Sorry. Okay. Intend. Of course, the word beginning in. Ten, then D. In, ten, then D. Symbol. Intention. In. Ten, then shon. In, ten, then shon. In, ten, then shon. Okay, stand. S, comma, S. Stand, D. S, stand, D. Stand. Standard. Of course, we have the is S, sorry, is tuloy. D, and then the wrinkled R or the curved R, not wrinkled R. So we have the standard S, tan, D, and then the word ending erd. So how are you going to spell that one out? S, S, tan, D, and then the erd symbol, di ba? Okay, na may dot na dalawa dun sa taas. Okay? Are we clear? Very good. So let's proceed with the then words like what I've said. Same. Then, sorry, medyo lumaki. Then, not the first one. Okay, then. Okay? Sudden. S-U-den. Sudden. S-U-den. Sudden. So be very careful with the words, ha? Interpretation of the words. Pag magbabasa ng outline, so how are you going to spell that one? S-U. So represented the short U. Then, the sudden. Okay. So let's have the word deny. Then I for deny. So how are you going to spell that one out? Sorry, class. Kasi nakakontrol yung pencil. Then I symbol. Or for the I, sorry. Not symbol. Denies. So, then I-S. Then I-S. Okay. Let me correct it, class, ha? Then I, then S. Denies. Okay? Let's have the word dentist. Then T-E-S-T for dentist. Then T-E-S-T for dentist. Dinner. Okay, minor vowels omitted. Then R. Then R. Then R. Evident. So let's have the E-V, then T. E-V, then T. Parang flower, no? Ang ganda. Let me correct it, class, ha? E-V, then T. E-V, then T. Okay, evidence. Of course. E-V, then the left S. E-V, then the left S. Okay, simple as that. Let's have the word tain words. Okay, same. TNN symbol. Rounded. Let's have the word obtain. O-B. Tain, obtain. O-B. Tain. So how are we going to spell that one out? O-B, then tain. Simple as that. Obtain. Then obtains. Obtains. Obtain S. Obtains. Obtainable. Of course. Obtain. And the word ending ball. Obtain. Then the word ending ball. So how are you going to spell that one out? Okay. Sorry. O-B. Tain. Ball. Okay. Okay, let's have the word attain. 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 Attained. 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 Contain. Word beginning con. And then tain. Ganda, diba? Contain. Parang dinosaur. Okay, so contain. That is how you write it. Okay? So, let's have the word ending ikal. Okay, class. So, as you go along with the other lessons, now, some of the word ending will be represented by a disjoined, no? Ibig sabihin hindi siya joined. Hindi siya nakakonect doon sa outline. Okay? So, like, 'di ba the word ending ing and then the ingly, no? They are disjoined. Okay? So, you have to be very careful when it comes to writing it. It should be nearer to the last outline or the symbol that is part of the word, kasi it may represent with a different sound. So, the word ending kal is represented by a K symbol. So, a disjoint K, no? Disjoined. So, if ever that you are going to, for example, this word medical, M-E-D, and then the word ending ical, if you are going to put it far from the last symbol, diba, it may represent, although it is above, no, it may represent by a different brief form, no, it could be a ken, no, represent by a ken, like that. So be very careful. Okay, so let's have the word logical, L O and then the straight symbol J and then ical, sorry, nag-combine siya. Let me write it again, class, ha? Logical, L-O-J, then the word ending ical, L-O-J, and then the word ending ical. Okay? So how are you going to spell that one out? As simple as this. L, and then O, then the J symbol, and the word ending ical. Okay? Typical, we have the T-E-P, then ical, T-E-P, then the word ending ical, T-E-P, the word ending ical. Okay, physical, just simply F-E, and then the right S, then ical, F-E, then right S, then ical. Okay. Political, just simply P-O-L-E-T. Oh, sorry. It should be inside. The E should be political. P-O-L-E-T. Ical for political. Technical. T-E-K-N. Ical. T-E-K-N. Ical. Okay? Let me write it again, class, ha? T-E-K, and then N, and then the word ending ical. Okay, for technical. Okay, so the special praise to know is just represented by the 10 symbol and then O to make it to know. Okay. Are we clear? Are we good? Okay. That's the end of lesson number 21. So practice writing again and then practice reading. Okay? So let's proceed with the lessons number 22. Lessons number 22 is composed or constitute of the 7 brief forms, the word ending shall, symbols for the sounds of oi. Okay? So, let's have the word, or sorry, the title, Miss. Miss is just M, S, M, S, M, S. Okay, business is just simply B and S, B and S. Okay, out, just simply the ow symbol for out, ow. Then, it's simply CH over it and N. Over it and N. So, mas mahaba siya. Mas mahaba yung them. Ganyan. Over. So, above O. Over. And then what is just simply OT. 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 Difficult is just diff symbol and then K, diff, and then K. Okay, let's have the brief form derivatives. So businesses, we have the B, S, then SES symbol, B, S, and then SES symbol. Business like, BS, and then LIK for business like. Business, then LIK for business like. Outside, the brief form out, then SID, so out, then SID. So make sure that there is the presence of angle before the out symbol, no? Yung preceded with the S sa outside. Outcome, out, then K, and then M. Diba we have the brief form come, KM. So without, oh sorry, outcome. Let me write it again, class. Out, then come. So outstanding, we have the out, standing, outstanding, outstanding, standing. Okay, without is just simply yung with, out, sorry, with, out. E over if, then ow symbol. Without. Overhead, over, HED, over, HED. Let me write it again, class, Not a bit clear. No, sorry. Over, then HED. Okay, to represent the overhead. Okay, overlook. Over, oh, sorry. Over, NLUK. Over, LUK. Overlook. Of course, overlooked. LUKD, overlook. LUK. Oh, sorry. This is ano pala, special. Look. Okay. That's it. Whatever. So, we have the what and then the ever. Diba? Ever, every na brief forms. What? OT and then EV. Okay? Difficulty. Difficult. Then E. Difficult. Then E. So, difficulties, of course. Difficult. E. And then the right S. Okay. Difficulties. So, as simple as that. Okay. Let's have the word ending shall and then Sean. Di ba remember, the word ending Sean is represented by the ish symbol. So this is a joined ish, no? To represent the word ending shall. So let's have the word special. SPE, shall, special. SPE, shall, for, special. Sorry, class. SPE, shall, for, special. So how are you going to write it in shorthand spelling? S, P, E, then we have the shall. Okay. Especially, ESPE-ish, for specially, ESPE-ish, for specially. Initial, ENE, word ending shall, ENE, then word ending shall, initial. Partial, of course, we have the PRR, shall, let P-A-R, shall. P-A-R, shall. So, let me remove. Naging broken eye circle yon. So, partially, P-A-R is, or shall, li, partially, P-A-R, shall, then li, partially. Then financial, we have the F-E-N-A-N, shall, for financial. F-E-N-A-N, shall, for financial. Wait, medyo nag-overlap yung ano ko. F-E-N-A-N, shall, for financial. Okay. So this should be financially. Okay. So just put the word ending li or the a symbol to represent the financially. F-E-N-A-N is li for financially. F-E-N-A-N is li or shall, then li financially. Okay? Are we clear? So let's have the word the sounds of oi. Sounds of oi is represented by a combination of O symbol and then E symbol. Okay? Symbol as simple as this. So we have the O plus E symbols. Okay. So let's have the word toy. T-O-Y for toy. T-O-Y for toy. So how are we going to spell it out in shorthand? T, then oy. Simple as that. Okay. You have the word joy. J-O-Y. J-O-Y. Join. J-O-N. J-O-N. Oil. Oil. Sorry. Oil. Soil. Comma S-O-I-L. S-O-I-L. Sorry. S-O-I-L. Royal. R-O-I-L. R-O-I-L. Hold on, class, ha? Medyo nasusulat ng mahaba eh. Ulitin ko lang, ha? R-O-I-L for royal. Then noise. N-O-I-S. N-O-I-S. As much as possible, write it as smooth as possible. N-O-I-S for noise. Okay, we have the annoy. A-N-O-I. A-N-O-I. Okay. Remember that the O symbol is written napahiga kapag if it is preceded with the N, M symbol, diba? Tsaka same with the L symbol. Okay, so point. P-O-I-N. Sorry. P-O-I-N for point. Susulatan ng pangdulo yung ano eh. Okay, let me write it again, class. P-O-I-N symbol. Okay, appointment. A-O-I-N-ment. Appointment. A-P-O-I-N-ment. Okay, invoice. In-V-O-I-S. In-V-O-I-S. Okay. How are you going to spell that one out? Word beginning in, then V, then O, then S. Are we clear? So, invoice. Okay. That's the end of the lessons or the lesson number 22. So practice writing and reading. Okay? So let's proceed with the lesson number 23. Oh, sorry. 2021 lang pala to. So, we'll go back to you. I'll go back to you after this. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Please practice reading and writing, okay?